Yo! Today we are going to be making salt crystals from this book we bought from the library, Rocks and Minerals. I found it! So what we need to make the salt crystals is cup, a stick
with some of the
thread.
string.
You might not be able to see.
Here,
A spoon.
I can show you.
The tape not necessary. And some salt. And a cup and warm water, which we haven't put that yet.
So now my brother is gonna say the steps, and then we'll just follow him,
Okay.
and then we just make.
Now first what we need is warm water in this cup. We're gonna go and get warm water.
Warm water, just warm water. Okay. Bye bye.
See you later.
Now we are back with our water. It's
A bit
warm and a bit hot.
Okay, now next we need to put salt.
Salt.
A
Salt.
spoonful should do. Cause the book said the books just said lots. And then stir it until it's all dissolved. Maybe salt. A spoonful. Then keep on stirring. You need to stir until it's all dissolved.
Thing here. Here like that.
A bit lesser.
Like that.
Yes, okay. Now put it inside and mix.
Now I'm gonna put it inside.
Mix it until it's dissolved. That means you don't see any salt.
Oh my god.
Just mix.
I'm so scared that I stir too much.
Salty water.
I like to drink salt. I like salt. And sugar with prata.
Little salty
No, I
prata.
spill. Oh my god.
You might want to put cloth around if you put this much.
I'm not safe enough though.
Yes! It's almost done. It's almost done. No, I spilled more.
Sweet love. Cut me down, I won't be sad.
You're singing is awful.
Keep me quiet. I'm trying to shut me down.
No,
I
my
won't be
water is bluish.
You can keep me quiet whenever you try to sound. Guys, so what
Just a
happens
gel.
if I
A
put
gel.
salt and put water inside? It will become dark. Now I'm gonna pour away all the water. It's just to play.
There's something.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna. How is it gonna get down? How is it gonna get? Ah!
Just put it in water.
So soggy. Like it was like sand, which is wet.
Now we need to put our string and thread into the water like that.
String and stick? What string and thread?
Ah!
Oh my god, mine's too long, I guess.
And then you need to push it down. And then you need to push it down until it's inside the water. The string is totally submerged in the water.
Oh my god.
It depends on the level of your string.
This is my catching. Why do I want to go so fast? Oh, can I? Now we will wait for the crystal to form in the water
as it cools.
We are gonna see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Ow, my hair.
It was so much water. Oh no.
Blech.